Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be a very special video because I am going to unwrap and use the products that I put on my own advent calendar for this year. So if you guys are interested for this kind of video, then just keep on watching. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Princess and I do skincare and makeup reviews and try on everything about beauty. I will be down for it. So today's video is gonna be special, like I said, because I did wrap products that I haven't used to my collection. These are from the sales to the sales that I bought. I decided to do my own advent calendar because I did open 2 advent calendar already from Ulta Beauty, which is their 12 days of beauty, and the other one, which is this is for a holiday vibe. So the Ulta Beauty, it's much more of a makeup products, and the Sephora one, which is more on the skincare side. So I'm going to show you guys here a clip that I started to wrap up some stuff, and this one is the first one, which is the boxy charm. It's not just a box, so it's from my November boxy charm, and I decided to wrap it up because I haven't opened them and tried them on from last month. So I decided to put them on my advent calendar and try those products. So I have at least 25 boxes here, or I put it's either one single product or a variety in a box. So I just put them like randomly, wrap it up, and then I have some like 25 boxes here or gifts. And then today is December 3rd, so I am going to unwrap 3 gifts for myself, or my advent calendar basket 2021, because of I already know what's each of these boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a random generator number, or what do you call this, a random number through random number service. So here it is. So I'm going to put a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 25. So now let's go started. I'm going to generate it 25 and then 9, so 25. So 25, I'm going to grab the 25 first, and then the last one, which is 12. So 25, 9, and 12 are the ones I'm going to use today. So here it is, the number 9. 12 is here, number 9. So number 9 is this one. This is the Urban Decay Vice lipstick, and this is in the shade of Bad Blood. Here it is. This one, I bought this at Ulta, and they have like it's not a sale, but it's like when you buy one of the lipstick, you get a triple points, which is like, for example, this is $19, so times that 3, so you get those points. So I like this one, this especially now it's holiday season, red lipsticks are in. So I'm going to put this one on the side. So number 12, I am okay. Number 12 is this one. This is a microfiber Wonder Blender from Shop Miss A. This is their $1.55 Popo blender. This one is really great. To unbox right now is this one, which is I already know what it is. like thinking about maybe this one is gonna be like the last one or maybe in the middle, but as a surprise, I am going to use this first. So these ones are from ColourPop. So this is like the Tinkerbell, Disney Tinkerbell collaboration with ColourPop, and I've got this one from their sale, this Black Friday one, like an early Black Friday. And I've got this four of them for $24. And then I just randomly put this one. This is their Fort Ray face milk. This is the avocado one. I bought this one as on sale too. I believe I've got this one like around $7 to $9. So this is how it looks like. The palette, it is really big eyeshadow, like their 9-pan eyeshadow. It's really big, so I'm going to take this off. So it does have a mirror, and I think these ones are regular prices like $16. And then this how it looks like. It's like the same packaging as the palette, which is really cute. I'm like in doubt to buy this one before when it was first released as a collaboration, and then now it's on the sale. So I bought it finally because it will be part of my green eyeshadow collections. This one is the that's taupe. So this one is new to my collection, but I haven't used it yet. So so here it is. As you guys can see, the massive comparison of these two, they're different. And then the ones in here, they have like 0.32 ounces here, and this one it's only like 0.3 ounces. This one, it will be in the shade of Fly With Me, which is green, in the shade of Lost Girl. You guys can see it. And then the last three here are like Super Shock shadows. The first one is actually broken, so I need to repress this one, I guess. This one is in the shade of Straight On Till Morning. It's like green. They don't put it what it is anymore. It's just like Super Shock. Before they just put like if it's a pearlized, it's a matte, it's a glitter. So the next one, it is Never Grow Up. It's like kind of reddish maroon shade, but it does have like a glitters in it too, the same thing as this one. And then the last one is the Fly To Your Heart. It's like a more peachy, pinky, nude kind of light color. And then the last one, it is this one. This is the Fort Ray avocado face milk. So here it is. It does have, let me see, it does have 28 ml in this bottle. So this is how it looks like. It's like kind of moisturizing. It smells good. It smells avocado. So I don't know if this is like a, it is really moisturizing, but I prefer the cream, moisturizing cream, I guess. So it really smells good though. I already did my eyebrows, but they're still not good. I'm going to fix them later on, but for now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. And first of all, I'm going to use this shade here, the Black Magic, as a transition shade. planning to use this one right here. This is like the Never Grow Up, so it's like kind of like a metallic maroon shade. I will try my best to put it here. The shade Awake, which is right here. Oh, brush right here. To use Awake and Sleep. Awake and Sleep. Okay, so that it will have like a little bit dimension right here. I will try to use this. This is their Jelly Mud Shadow, and this is like She Grown. Put it like right here. Now I already finished my eyes. I'm going to be using this sponge now. So this is how it looks like after I dump it with water. So I'm just gonna, I will try my best to link everything down below on the description box, the ones that I did use today, because I'm in a hurry to do this video. So I'm going to use this one. The only thing I don't like about this sponge is when after you use it, it's hard to clean up the mess with it because it absorbs too much of the product, as you guys can see. Now we're just gonna go bake. It's this one right here in the middle and the first one. Too much. This is too much. I'm going to set up the powder first. Wash right here. This is from my project pan. Here. The top of our contour. I'm going to use this one. It's highlighting right here. Right here. Put this brow gel and then lips. I'm gonna use that come on. Use this Urban Decay Bad Blood, a Bad Blood shade. Use this two right here, the Pixie Dust and Small Fairy, to put it like in the corner. Not that bad. It's just like we're in a hurry. So I had fun using these products. So now I'm going to do is we're gonna go back to the random number, and then I'm going to do is we're in the last number, which is the 12 one. So now I'm going to get another 2 products so that I can use them on the next video or the next video of this like kind of advent calendar that I made, like kind of series. So now I'm going to generate it. Number 3. So let me get a pen so that I can remember what number. And then the next one is number 6. So those are the numbers that I'm going to open for you guys next time of this kind of series. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and if you wanted this kind of video, please consider to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye.